This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a copy of the background so you always have the original. Once duplicated, convert that layer to a smart object. This lets you tweak or remove filters later. Open Filter Camera Raw Filter because its Detail tab gives the cleanest luminance and color noise controls. While in Camera Raw, you'll be looking for the luminance and color sliders and the masking tools. Begin with modest values so you preserve texture as you reduce noise. Now refine the effect. Nudge luminance upward and then balance it with the detail and contrast sliders to avoid plastic-looking skin or flattened textures. For color speckles, raise the color slider and tweak smoothness until color blotches disappear without desaturating edges. Make sure to zoom to 100% and use the masking or range controls to limit the reduction to noisy areas. This preserves fine detail. If needed, add a light amount of sharpening afterward, but protect noisy shadows from being sharpened. Finish by applying a layer mask so the reduction only affects the noisy zones. Paint back texture where necessary. Toggle the Smart Filter visibility to compare before and after, and lower filter opacity for a subtler result. Export a test at final size to confirm results. If you see banding or over-softening, lower the luminance/color values, add subtle sharpening, or switch to 16-bit editing to preserve tonal gradation. This usually fixes posterization and keeps details natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.